Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you guys who do not know me, my name is Paige. For you guys who don't know me, remember me, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, I talked too fast. So today I'm here with my little brother Ben.
Hi!
So the reason why Ben's here today because he was bored, and as soon as I got home from the store, he asked me what I was gonna do. So I was like, okay, I was gonna go make some slime. Do you want to help me? He was like, yeah, sure. So today I got the gillette foam from the store, and then I got another thing of glue. But today we were using almost glue. But sadly, I video cut out while we were doing it, so we would just pour the almost glue and the foam in. We didn't get to dye it yet, so it looks chunky first.
Exactly.
So
If it was in
I'm trying to make a light pink. And he's trying to make it dark green. So this is how you can tell when it's done. If it looks like whipped cream, you can tell it's done. Or that. You don't have to use the shaving foam for the just regular almost glue. It's fine because you don't have to because you don't need it.
Okay.
But we're doing that to make it fluffy. So what you can buy this and glue all. And the regular almost glue, and this is at Dollar General. So you can go find the nearest Dollar General and just look in the craft supplies, and then just ask them where the food coloring and glue is, and then you go into the hygiene stuff with the shaving cream, the deodorant, and the toothbrush, the toothpaste with all the medicines at basically, and you find that there. And then this should be up over by the counter. If you can't find it, I would ask to see if you have it. If not, just go find another place.
Okay, so we're going to get right to it.
We're going to get right to it. Says we didn't have enough time. So
That's a good.
so you can make me do it.
I thought you were turning pink.
I don't know.
Oh, mine is about turning. No, I'm ready light, I guess.
You're going to want just do dark. Just have more in it. And then in the end, we're going to mix it into one big bowl with a lid, and then it's going to be fun. Mine looks like that gum Hubba Bubba.
Oh, yeah.
It does. Yours look like the mint gum.
Yeah. It goes with the.
Do you need help stirring yours?
No,
You can't get. Yours look like that. His looks like that green goo off of iCarly when she had those her cousins or nephews there. Look at the sides.
Yeah.
Mhm. That one's good. You can stir mine for a little bit.
Yeah, like, I think. What?
Just gonna make sure you get everything.
I'm just stabbing it.
Queen.
I'm just stabbing it. Oh, yeah, there.
That's that. So here's mine.
Here's mine.
Yeah, mine legitimately looks like a gum. Like
Mine
how
just
you
looks
stretch it and all that.
Mine just looks like mint.
Mine looks like gum when you stretch it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're getting ready for our
Antifreeze.
borax in. It's not antifreeze, it's borax. So
Like the last time I made slime, I just
he kept on saying antifreeze instead of borax, so we had to keep on starting over.
yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, there it goes. It's already starting to work. Okay, you want to get the lotion? Remember last time?
Yeah. I'm gonna go get solution.
Okay, now mine looks like a head gum. Like You just put them together.
Okay, so if you want your slime to be more stretchier, you use lotion. So today we're using mint and tea tree creamy body lotion. It smells so good. Then don't forget.
Yeah, mine's already starting to stick.
I'm trying to get it all. Oh,
Okay, time to pick the shoe.
oh, it's so fluffy.
Ugh. Yeah, I'm trying to get everything off.
I think I want to keep this for myself. I don't want to mix it.
Yeah, Sam. Paige, let's do slime one.
Boom! Mine's already coming together.
Same. One pick.
Is yours hard to stretch? My hands don't look. My hands look the same except when you get close up.
But my hands looks like it's like.
Do you need more borax or something? I feel like you need more borax.
Nah, it's perfect.
Yeah, try to put a little bit more.
That's right. I'm gonna add a slot.
Try adding some shaving foam so it wouldn't stick that much.
That's a little bit. Okay. Think.
And then just mix it right there.
Oh. Found it.
Here's some mine.
Paige.
Because then you're mixing it.
What?
Yeah, because then you're mixing it. This one works much better than the regular, Barbasol. This one works better, especially since we put a lot in it. I like this more better.
I'm more fresher. Like.
Can you hear that?
I'm like barely you can hear it. Oh. And my hand's starting to turn good. A lot.
I don't see it.
Look.
I don't see it. I see it.
I got it.
Oh, it looks. It kind of.
One more.
It feels done.
Yeah. Let's add a lotion.
So we're gonna add some lotion.
I'm just making a slot for it.
I'm gonna add a little.
Yeah, look. I just added a little slot. I got mine. Okay.
And then you just start mixing it.
Okay, we're gonna try. Oh,
And this feels so good on your hands.
what, the lotion?
Yeah,
Oh, slime.
the lotion and slime. Oh,
Oh.
it smells good.
Oh.
So mine.
Nice.
Mine's starting to stretch more.
Oh, no. I killed the slime master.
Mine stop.
Yeah.
Okay, so we only got about, I'd say about 1 minute and
30 seconds.
No, it's about 1 minute and 50 seconds now. Mine looks good.
So we're gonna hurry up to get this done as fast as we can.
And then we're gonna be doing another video with glue
mixing.
and this still.
And then we're gonna make the next one.
So this is with
and then we're gonna mix it.
So this is with the regular Elmer's glue. I like the regular Elmer's glue better than the glue all because the glue all gets so weird. The texture is so weird. You still have slime left?
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah. So we're gonna wrap up by adding all the extra slime.
Here it comes.
So you got So this is stop. So please give it a thumbs up.
Okay,
Comment down below. Comment down below what challenge you want us to do. And if you need to, just give it a thumbs down and comment down below what we need to improve on. And don't forget, we're still doing that.
And if you want to do, like, if you want to comment down, see if we want to do a slime war where you got smack somebody.
No, or the good and bad slimes where there are many slimes. There's some sticky ones.
And then you
And there's some good ones. And so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. So whoever wins for the next one will peek at theirs and they will show no emotion.
Okay, let's get
So see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
And dab on those haters.